Hello students, welcome to EVS class chapter 7 I love Gujarat. We all live in the state of Gujarat. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Gujarat is one of these states. In Gujarat, Surat is a district as we live in Surat. Gujarat as a state came into being in May 1960. It is situated on the western coast of India. It is bounded by Arabian Sea on the west and its neighboring states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Now, let us start the chapter. This bird is flamingo. Flamingo is the state bird of Gujarat. Every year, thousands of flamingos come to Gujarat from foreign countries in the winter. Along with flamingo, many other birds also come. Birds which come from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. Like every year, flamingo has come to Gujarat this year also. Flamingo says, it seems Gujarat has come. This time I will see the entire Gujarat. Chinkara is an animal that is usually found in desert-like atmosphere. In Kutch region of Gujarat, these animals are found. Seeing flamingo, Chinkara says, "Come brother, flamingo. You were welcome in Gujarat. I will show you the desert of Kutch." Flamingo. Here more quantity of salt is produced, isn't it? Yes, more than half of the total production of salt of our country is produced in small desert of Kutch. In addition to that, the Kandla harbour located in the Bay of Kutch is the second largest harbour of the country. International trade is promoted here. Flamingo. Fine. Today you have introduced me, Kutch, to me. I have to see entire Gujarat. I will leave now. Bye bye. Grass growing in the Bani region of Kutch is the tallest grass in Asia. These are some migratory birds. These are flamingos. This is Kandla Port. Students, let us know some more about Kutch. You have heard of Kandla Harbour. Yes, it is the second largest harbour in the country. Harbour is a seaport where goods are transported into our country from foreign countries and also from our country to foreign countries. Through Kandla Port, India imports petroleums, oil, machines and exports grains, textiles and salts. This is a ship arrived at Kandla Port. Ship wrecking is also an activity at Kandla. Wrecking means breaking the old ships. Old ships are broken and its useful items like machines, air conditioners, refrigerators and other items are removed from the broken ship for sale. Here some useful items removed from the broken ship. Now you have two questions to answer. First question: which other birds come to your village from other places? Answer: ruddy-cell duck, spot-billed duck, grey-lag goose, common crane, rosy starling, sandpipers, Siberian stone chat and so many. I am repeating it. Ruddy shell duck, spot-billed duck, grey-lag goose, common crane, rosy starling, sandpipers, Siberian stone chat and so many. Second question: why do birds from foreign countries migrate to our state? Answer: migratory birds come to our state because the temperature and atmosphere of our country in winter is suitable for them to live and nesting. Now, Flamingo has reached to Pirotan Island of Jamnagar district located in Bay of Kutch. Flamingo: yes, dolphin, we are the birds from cold region, but during winter we come to Gujarat. Abdasa of Kutch means large town of Flamingo. This time we thought of visiting Gujarat. Hence we came here. Dolphin, come with me and see, here are the coral reefs. There are starfish, jellyfish and dolphin fish like me. Even sea cucumber, tortoise and octopus are also here. Now, children, do you know what is island? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water. You will find an island in the sea or in big rivers. Pirotan is an island in Jamnagar. What is dolphin? Dolphin is an aquatic animal. It lives in sea. It is our national aquatic animal. This is a picture of an island. Abdasa is shown here in the map. It is in Kutch. It is a large town of flamingos. Here some questions. First, which aquatic animals around you are seen throughout the year? Second, which animals are seen during monsoon? Third, where do frogs go after monsoon? Fourth, what will you do to protect the animals living in water? Now answers. First question answer. First answer, frogs, turtles, small fishes, tortoise, ducks, etc. Second answer. Second question answers. Frogs, earthworms, fishes, water snake, etc. Third answer, frogs go underground and live there until next monsoon. Fourth answer, here 5 points are there. A, we will not disturb animals in water. Second point, B, we will not allow domestic animals like cows, buffaloes, etc. to bath in rivers and ponds. Third point, C, we will feed the water animals with proper food. Fourth point, D, we will see that no one throws garbage in the water bodies. Fifth point, E, we will keep check that no one kills or catches water animals. It's a picture of dolphin. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal. Now we have some more pictures of aquatic animals. First one, starfish. Second one, jellyfish. Here, first one is octopus and second one is sea cucumber. This is tortoise. Frog and earthworm, they are seen during monsoon. Now, flamingo says bye-bye to dolphin and flies to another region of Gujarat. We will know about that in the next class.